Welcome to the Pacific Northwest, a breathtaking region where rugged mountains meet endless evergreen forests. Known for its crisp air and lush landscapes, this area boasts a vibrant mix of towering pines, red maples, and colorful hydrangeas. The local architecture perfectly embraces this natural beauty, often featuring rustic stone facades, rich timber framing, and expansive outdoor living spaces. It is a place where cozy, craftsman-style homes seamlessly blend with the untamed wilderness right outside your door. Whether nestled by a quiet lake or deep in the woods, the Pacific Northwest offers the ultimate peaceful sanctuary. Encompassing a perfectly proportioned 26 by 36 foot footprint, this home's exterior draws heavy inspiration from sun-drenched Mediterranean and European countryside estates. The architecture is instantly defined by its striking terracotta tile roof, which provides a vibrant, warm contrast against the textured stone and smooth stucco facades. A sturdy, timber-framed covered porch acts as a seamless transition to the outdoors, cascading down to an expansive flagstone patio, charming pergolas, and a beautifully integrated free-form pool. Surrounded by lush, manicured gardens, the overall design feels like an idyllic, elegant getaway that elevates outdoor living. Inside, the aesthetic brilliantly pivots to a tropical modern theme, offering a striking juxtaposition to the traditional rustic shell. Rich walnut paneling and textured stone walls serve as a warm, earthy canvas for sleek, low-profile furnishings and breezy woven rattan accents. By integrating an abundance of lush indoor plants, such as large monsteras and vibrant palms, with expansive windows that invite the natural light in, the home transforms into a tranquil, resort-style oasis that feels effortlessly chic and airy.